Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. Okay, I'm back, guys. Do me a favor before we get started. Let's go ahead and click the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Alright, I'm back with this amazing direct mail program you've seen me talk about for months now. Impact Mailing Club. Okay, an awesome program, perfect for a newbie, perfect for a seasoned veteran. It's perfect for anybody because all you're gonna do is mail letters. If you can drop a letter in the mail, you can do this business. Okay, if you're consistent. Okay, all right. So I'm back just to talk about it real quick and then show you guys some more results. Okay, that this program is still working in the middle of what we're going through right now with the COVID-19. Okay, nothing has stopped. Matter of fact, business is booming. Okay, sales has gone up. Okay, so if you're out there and you're looking for something simple, no internet is required, no experience is required. Just follow some simple instructions and mail to the leads that we give you. You can do this business, okay? So let's go over. I want to show you the different lead packages, okay, that you can select from. Okay, Impact Mailing Club actually sells leads. That's what we sell. Okay, that is the product. We sell lead membership packages. Okay, we have a few that you can choose from, and it comes with leads. I mean, you're buying leads, that's what you're buying, but it allows you to be an affiliate. Okay, so once you buy into the club, you become a member, you're able to resell the lead packages. Okay, and then that's how you make a commission. But what's so wonderful about this program is you're paid directly from the person that joins you. Okay, you don't have to wait on the company to mail you a check. The person that signs up with you from your letter like this, they're going to pay you directly. Okay, and they're going to also send you some stamps. Okay, so that will help with the cost of you mailing more letters out. Okay, and you're able to buy more leads from the company at a discount because you're now a member of the club. Okay, it's an awesome thing. As well as it has 2 tiers, which means when your teammate makes money, you make money. Okay, so there's 2 levels to this. Okay, 2 levels. So let's look at the packages. Okay, the top package here. Okay, they do have a double diamond. Okay, but this seems to be the most popular, the diamond and the sapphire. Okay, the diamond package, you would spend $2,000. I've got a great promo for this too. I'll put the link below so you can check out the details. If you want to be a diamond, I'll show you what I'm including. And I forgot to add that I'm going to give you a sales funnel. Any of these you come in, you'll get the sales funnel. Okay, access to the sales funnel. All right, so the diamond is $2,000. Okay, and you're able to make $1,000, guys, when you sell that diamond package. It comes with 1,000 leads. Okay, and then when your teammate sells a diamond package, you're paid $500. Okay, so that's powerful. So if you have people out there mailing with your name in box 2 on all their letters, okay, that's powerful. That's the tier 2. So when they get paid, you get paid. Okay, the next one is sapphire. It's $500. You make $300 every time you sell that sapphire lead package. That package comes with 400 leads. Whenever your team sells that sapphire, you make $100. Okay, the ruby is $250. You make $150 every time you sell that package. When your team sells that package, you make $50, and it comes with 200 leads. The emerald is only $100. You make $65 every time you sell that package. When your team sells that package, you make $20. And you make stamps with this. Okay, you receive stamps with this, guys. Okay, so let me tell you what that is. So the diamond, it comes with is $2,000 plus 5 books of stamps. Okay, so you're going to receive 3 books of stamps plus the $1,000 if someone joins you. The Sapphire, you're going to get 2 books of stamps. The Ruby, you're going to get 2 books of stamps when someone joins you. Okay? Okay, and there was a glitch in my computer. The Ruby, when someone joins you in the Ruby, they're going to send you 2 books of stamps and the $150. When someone joins you at the Emerald, you're going to get 1 book of stamps, and they're going to send you 65 bucks. Okay, so this is a great program. As you start to build your team and you start collecting stamps, you're then not having to pay for cost, okay, as far as your marketing, as far as the stamps are concerned, because people are sending you stamps. So all you have to do is take those stamps and mail more letters, okay? Now, these are one-time payment, okay? There's no monthly fees with this. The company provides you with training, leads, and resources for you to start mailing letters from home. You mail out the cover letter. It comes with a cover letter, but I'm going to give you a custom cover letter if you join my team. Okay, and excuse me, you're going to mail that with your order form, which is this right here. Okay, so that makes it more personalized because you have your picture on there and that type of thing. Okay, so that's it, guys. And you're going to receive commissions and stamps every time someone joins you. And they're going to pay you directly. Okay, can't get any more clean cut than that. It's very clear. Okay, it doesn't come with a website. However, I do have 2 systems that I can refer you to if you want to automate this. I highly recommend adding that as another layer of marketing. It's not required, but adding it as another layer. And I'll put the links below for that. Okay, but that's the system. Okay, in a nutshell. Leads come with it, so all you need to do is just mail your letters. Okay, so with that being said, I want to show you guys some more results that I have with this program. People are very interested. I get calls every day. I get emails every day about it. I talk to people every day about it. And it's just getting better and better. So I highly recommend this program, okay, for something simple. Can't get any simpler than a letter or a postcard. And before I show you those results, let me show you another program that I added, the Cash Cow, if you can see that. This is a postcard program. It pays out $100 on 2 tiers. Cash Cow. It's only $300 to get in this program, okay? And it pays 2 tiers. So when someone on your team makes $100, you make $100. So it's powerful as well. So if you're interested in postcards, I have a couple postcard programs, but this is the latest one, the Cash Cow. I'll put the information below. You're going to have to reach out to me so that I can email you this card. It doesn't come with a website, okay? So I'll shoot it over to you if you're interested in signing up. It is $300 to get started because you're going to send 3 money orders in, okay? Now, with that being said, let me show you some results that I've gotten with the program. Here's 3 more packages, okay? Now, what I do is always block out people's information because that's private information, and I don't want to display people their address, okay? So you always see me block that out, okay? So let me go with the first one. This one, the name is Quantandra. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. Quantandra. She's out of Texas, okay? See that? Let's see what Quantandra says. Okay? See what we got here. All right. Oh, okay. It's an emerald. Oh, I split the top. Hang on, let me fold this down. You see, I ripped the top of it. Be careful. Okay, right here it says emerald over here. Emerald pays me $65, just like it says on the screen. Okay, and 1 book of stamps. Okay, there's my stamps. And there's my $65, guys. Okay, Next one. Feel free to go to the website www.mailorderfreedomclub.com. That's my website. Go through my funnel and then give me a call. Let's talk. Jot down your questions. Okay. This one is Sophie out of South Carolina. I know who this is. The person is a pass up, actually tier 2. So I received $20. Okay, and a book of stamps. So that was an emerald from my teammate. That means my team is working. Okay, so that was a pass up. Thank you so much. Okay, so when your team makes money, guys, you make money. You look at the chart here, $20. It tells you what I would have received 24. That's an emerald from my downline. Okay. Next one. Rashmi. I just tore the package. Out of New York. Okay. Again, I'm going to fold this down because I don't want to display someone's information. Okay. Sapphire. See that? Sapphire pays what? Look at the screen. $300, guys. Okay. All right. All 50s. See that? All righty. That's how that works, guys. Okay. So, Impact Mailing Club is where you want to be, so you can start making these commissions, okay, and stamps. Simple as that, guys. This is not hard. It just takes consistency. We've got the right mailing list because Impact Mailing Club mailing list is USPS verified, which means the company has paid for this service. So it's going to give you less nixies on your leads. Okay, you're going to get some returns because people move and they don't notify the post office that they moved with their new address. But you're not going to have as many with Impact Mailing Club. Okay, so a great program to get started in. Do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? I look forward to working with you guys. Again, go check it out. And I'll also put the postcard programs below too if you're interested in postcard marketing, okay? All right, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys be safe out there, and you guys have a blessed day.